Welcome back in the next video. Today, we're going to explore some super cool DuckDB queries that help us work with product data. I'll explain everything in the simplest way possible. First, let's see all the products in our database. For this, we can write the select star from product table. And by executing this, we have all columns from this table is available in the results. And we can also see we have total numbers of records below the results. What we have here, all the columns and total number of records for this table. Okay, do we always need to get the data out from the table and then see the total of rows? No way. What if we just want to know how many products exist in the database? Simple. We can use count star query in the database. For that, we can write select count star from product. Execute this query once. This query returns the total number of products. It's like counting the number of items on table to see how many are product names. You see 25 in the results. And it's also giving the single column result, which has only count for that. And we don't need to get all the records from table. Just simple one output as total number of records from table. What if we want to apply some other aggregate function from mathematics? And like finding the minimum value from a column, we can try using the different aggregate functions for that. First, let's start from minimum function as select min of price from product table. Min is a function to calculate the minimum of price. And execute this once. We can see we have the result below, where it's finding the minimum of price as 20. Simple, quick and easy, correct. Same way, we can also try other aggregate functions. Maybe we can try finding the maximum of price, or maybe the average of price. And why not getting both in a single query? We can write this as select avg function as price, and next max of price. This is used for calculating average from product. Execute this once. You can see we have both the results correct. Max column in result is by max function in the query, and average is for average. We can use as many as functions in a single query if needed. Any kind of mathematical operation we want to perform is already defined as functions in the database. We don't need to worry about what is available or what is not available. Lastly, if we find we have specific requirements which we are not available in Postgres, then we can also create our user-defined functions, which we will see later in our videos. That's all we have in this video. I hope you have learned something new today. Let's see in the next video.